A lot of modern layouts look complicated, but they usually rely on one smart framing technique. Today, how to design layered collage systems. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert multiple frames in different sizes and place them in an overlapping collage arrangement. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting crops individually for balance. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or muted pastel tone. Slightly rotate one frame while keeping the others aligned to create natural movement. Add thin line accents with reduced opacity to visually connect the composition. Use position tools to organize the layering order carefully. Add minimal text